Hi there, students. A squall, a countable noun, and to squall as a verb. Okay, a squall in weather is a sudden strong gust of wind, a sudden very strong wind, particularly one that has rain or sleet, a mixture of snow, of rain and hail, or even ice or snow in it. So the boat was hit by squalls of rain in the storm. Okay, so a squall, it's a sudden gust of wind. Yeah, sudden very strong uh, gust of wind. A squall blew down the tree in our garden. And then we also use this word to squall as a verb, talking about making a very loud, unpleasant noise, particularly a baby. Yeah. My baby son was squalling all night. Yeah, was crying loudly. So the squalling of an infant. It doesn't have to be a baby. So what are you squalling about? What are you shouting about? What are you complaining about? Yeah, or you can also use a squall to mean a problem. Yeah, a sudden difficulty, or a rush of problems, a sudden storm. That's how you might use it metaphorically. A brief commotion. Yeah. When when in the bar they were watching the football match on television, and there was a squall of complaints when I changed the channel. Yeah, I had to change it back again intermediately. Okay, so a brief commotion effectively is like a storm blowing suddenly for a short time, but very strongly. Okay, so a squall, a sudden strong wind, yeah, or something that is very strong and short term, or a squall, a loud, sharp noise, yeah. The baby was squalling. Okay, he was squalling with complaints, yeah, a loud cry. Um, I was on the moor alone at night, and I heard a squalling sound coming from the trees. I wondered what it was. Um, a squall of wind, a gust of wind, a flurry of wind. Yeah, a sudden rush of wind. Yeah, a squall as well. Okay, so to squall, to scream, to cry out raucously, to say something in a very strong, strident voice. Stop squalling at me, calm down, and tell me what the problem is. Yeah, and a squall, a very strong wind, very often containing rain or snow in it. Yeah, so there are rain squalls predicted for tonight, and then a squall, a short-lived, intense problem. So yeah, there was a squall of problems when the internet went down. Yeah, there was quite a squall. Yeah, because nobody could do any work. But then things got better. Okay, so a very temporary problem. Yeah. Okay, it's blowing a squall outside. Yeah, yeah, it's a rather nasty weather. So, a squall, a brief violent windstorm, normally with rain. Let's see. Okay, formality. A squall of rain. In weather things, 5 in formality, use anywhere. The baby was squalling. I think again I'm going to give it 5 in formality, use anywhere. A squall of complaints. Yeah, I think 5 formality used anywhere as well. And then, as to origin, it probably comes from an Old Norse word, skvala, meaning to cry out, and that's probably got an influence on the words squeal and bawl. Notice a baby bawls, squalls. A baby could squeal as well. Squeal, bawl, squall. Sounds pretty good. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope they're not a squall of complaints. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Squall.